What's up, guys? As you can see behind me, the job we're doing today has the ocean nearby. We're replacing the light bulb in a wet location light fixture, deck mount, with a wet location bulb. Let's take it apart, put the bulb in, put it back together, make sure we take care of this correctly. All right, first part of the process, we're going to take out the mounting screws. Take out the bulb, install the new wet location corrosion resistant bulb. Look at that. Only other thing you want to do on this fixture, it has a rubber gasket right here built in. You just want to make sure that's nice and wiped off. Once you get the cover on, reinstall the mounting screws. That's it, that easy.